Welcome to our new video where we unravel the complexities of modern business solutions. Today, let's delve into the world of ERP, a term you've likely encountered but might not fully grasp. At its core, ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It's essentially the nerve center of a company's operations, a sophisticated software solution designed to streamline processes, enhance efficiency, and improve overall productivity. Imagine your business as an intricate web of departments: sales, finance, HR, inventory, and more. Each operates independently, yet they're all interconnected. An ERP system acts as the digital architect. It integrates various functions, enabling seamless communication and collaboration between departments. For instance, a sale in the CRM triggers inventory updates, prompts manufacturing schedules, and initiates billing processes. But why is ERP essential for businesses? An ERP system provides real-time insights, empowering us to make data-driven decisions swiftly. It streamlines project management, allowing us to allocate resources effectively and deliver exceptional results to our clients. As consultants, our focus is on delivering value. ERP systems empower us to do just that. By automating repetitive tasks, we save time and resources, enabling us to concentrate on strategic initiatives that drive our business and our clients' businesses forward. Our decisions are no longer based on guesswork, but on actionable data, allowing us to craft innovative solutions that meet our clients' evolving needs. In essence, an ERP system isn't just a piece of software. It's an enabler of growth and efficiency, allowing us to navigate complexities, seize opportunities, and deliver excellence. We understand that the right tools empower us to exceed expectations. Visit our website and get in touch with our expert consultants today. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of ERP. Stay tuned for more insights. See you in next video.